keep y'all hair moisturized. That's going to be the number one thing that's going to stop your hair from breaking. Hi, what's up y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I have been MIA for a little while, but I want to come on here real quick to show y'all what I do as a nighttime routine to keep my hair, my chemically treated hair moisturized. Now I only use two products. I use the leave-in conditioner, and this is the CANTU leave-in conditioner, and it has argan oil already infused in it, and it helps to repair. It's a repairing cream for your hair. So if you have damaged hair, dry hair, whatever, this here is what you want. I got this from my local beauty supply store, but they also sell this at Family Dollar. I have seen it at Family Dollar and Dollar General. So the next product too that we're going to use is old school, the Blue Magic grease. Now I normally use the Blue Magic with the Indian hemp, but they didn't have it, so I had to substitute for the coconut oil. So those are the two products, only two products that I will be using to keep my chemically treated natural 3C 4A hair moisturized. Also, I'm going to be using this water bottle. I have some of this leave-in CANTU mixed in with the water bottle, and I also have some EVOO, which is extra virgin olive oil, and just plain water right out the faucet. Mix those two ingredients up with the water. Make sure you give it a good shake. And this is what you can use this throughout the day on your hair, morning, evening, midday, noon, or right before you go to bed at night. So let's go ahead and unwrap my hair. Take this head wrap off. As y'all can see, this is my makeshift faux bun. This is what I put on up underneath my head wraps when I wrap my hair up. So let's go ahead and take that off. And this is the bun. It's just in a little black stocking that you get with your lace frontal wigs, or you can buy these 2 in a pack, either tan or black. I chose the black because I always wear the black hair wrap, so I don't want my blonde hair to show through. So yeah, my natural hair is not being detected while I'm wearing my bun. I do have a TWA, which is a teeny weeny afro. So I'm showing you how to moisturize your hair after you come home from a long day, hard day's work. But also I'm going to show you, because I do have the finger waves still in, which I'm going to keep them in because I'm prepping my hair for tomorrow, but I'm moisturizing it as a nightly routine. You can also, with this same style, use this as style number 2, because that's how cute it's going to be once I finish showing y'all how I moisturize. It's going to turn into a hairstyle. So if y'all ready, let's start out by moisturizing our hair. So I'm going to go ahead and just start misting my hair with this water. Mist it all the way around. Like I said, I worked for 8 hours today. My hair has been sitting up underneath that head wrap. And so you want to go in and just give your hair a whole lot of TLC at this point. This is the portion that stays dried out the most. And this is the area that needs the most attention, so my hair doesn't break at the top. So I overly moisturize this area. I overly spray it with water. I overly put grease in it and conditioner. All right, so my hair is definitely moisturized with the water, extra virgin olive oil, and CANTU mixture. I'm running that all through my hair. And even though I have that in the water bottle, I still like to put in CANTU shea butter or CANTU shea conditioner, leave-in conditioner, in my hair separately, along with the Blue Magic coconut oil. Like I say, my favorite is the Indian hemp. They didn't have Indian hemp. I'm so sad, y'all. I wish they had Indian hemp, because that just does my hair so good. So I'm taking equal parts of the conditioner with equal parts of the grease, and I'm just gonna add them both to my hair at one damn time. Okay. All right, so we got the product in. I'm going back in with a little bit more of this CANTU shea to target the roots of my middle. My crown area is like, girl, I've been sitting up underneath that bun all day. You're gonna give me some moisture one way or another. And I am like, okay, you boss, I got you. And being that that's where this bun sits at too a lot, I can see why that area dries out fast. And I'm also going to go back in with the CANTU, with the Blue Magic grease, and put that all throughout the strands of my hair. You know what? This is not the first. Let me tell y'all, this is not the first time I've ever went natural. And when I say natural, I just mean non-relaxed hair. I did this back in maybe 2012. Cut off all my relaxers, started growing my hair. And at that point in my life, that was the first time I ever been natural. I used to always had a relaxer. And that was the first time in 2012 is when I cut the relaxer off. And I was always on YouTube looking at different videos of natural hair girls and trying to see what products they use to see if it would work in my hair. And at that time in 2012, the girls was always using oils. Nobody was ever putting grease in their hair. They said grease was not good for natural hair and all of this and that and third. And my hair stayed extremely, ridiculously dry at that time. And instead of me going with my own mind and trying to figure out what's going on, went back in with some more grease, was trying to figure out what's going on with my own hair, I just kept watching tutorials. And all the girls was just using oils. So I was using oils on my hair a lot. My hair did not do good with oils. And instead of me just taking it back old school, going back to my roots and what I grew up doing, and at that time when I was doing that back in the day, using grease, I never had a problem with my hair. When I used to sit in between my mama's legs on the floor when I was a kid, and she used to put my hair in the ponytails with the ribbons and the little barrettes at the end. I'm an 80s baby, so if any of y'all could relate, your girl had ribbons and barrettes with bobbles in her head. If I can find a picture, I'm going to insert it somewhere up here, over there, over here, or down here. I might insert a picture if I could find me when I was like 8 years old, 7 or 8 years old. Yeah, my hair was healthy. It was super shiny. It wasn't breaking. You know, I didn't lose no edges. It wasn't brittle. My hair was healthy when I was a kid. My mother always used Blue Magic. Always used Blue Magic. But it was either the blue or the green color. And I believe at that time, like I'm talking about when I was like in 8, 7. So we talking about 1987, 1988. Because I was born in 1980. So we talking about my hair used to be so healthy. And me as a kid, I'm thinking in my mind, while I'm trying to transition to my natural state in 2012, when I did the big chop and started regrowing my hair out natural with no relaxer, the girls was just beating me up with all of these damn oil tutorials on natural hair. And my hair was not feeling oil. Now, I put oil in here, extra virgin olive oil, but at the time, that's all they were using, and some kind of styling gel and all of this, but no grease. Then I seen videos, like I said back in the day, where they were promoting that you shouldn't use grease on natural hair. Girl, I'm here to tell you in 2024, November 2024, today's date, the 21st of November 2024, that's all I use in my hair is grease. Grease. This Blue Magic has done the trick for so many ladies for years. I don't know why I ever stopped using this and just started using the oils. I mean, I believe that YouTube had a big influence on, you know, my hair at that time, because I was trying to figure it out, and no girls was promoting grease. Just girls, stick with what you know. Your hair was healthy at the time. But I'm back. So, long story short, your girl is back, and I will be using grease from here on out. So this time around, me growing my natural hair, chemically treated natural hair, yes, I will be using grease. What I do, getting back to my hair, I'm rambling on, but getting back to my hair, this is what I do. When I come home and I take my bun off, this is literally what I do. I don't mess with the waves because I want to keep the waves in throughout, you know, for a couple days. So I don't have to keep redoing my waves every morning. So I try to save that part of my hair. But this is what I do. I just reactivate my curls. I keep my hair moisturized. I keep my hair overly greased because, mind you, we're going into the nighttime hours. So that means sleep time is coming around. So this is going to be my overnight conditioning nighttime routine. And because I do have alopecia edges, but let me show y'all what I'm doing for my alopecia edges too. This is what I'm doing. I just started using this. Now this is the women's Rogaine 5% minoxidil topical solution, the topical hair regrowth treatment that I'm doing on my hair. I've started this probably 2 weeks ago. I'm already 2 weeks in. Put this on my head hairline once a day, and then I just, once it dries, I just style my hair. That's why I got these waves in, but I did do the treatment before I did that. I'm starting a 6-week challenge on this Rogaine. So I have a video that I'm already putting in place to make for you guys, starting from week 1 into 6 weeks from now. I'll be showing y'all the results, 6 weeks results for the Rogaine. So if this is a video y'all want to see, y'all stay tuned for that. Go ahead and turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out on any content that I have coming, which I have plenty. And yeah, that's gonna be for another video, so y'all stay tuned for that. Before I go, I want to let you guys know that I have my Google AdSense account verified and that I am officially a YouTube content creator. So yay for all of you guys that have supported my channel and rode with your girl since I started from day 1. I am official. So thank you guys for rocking out with me, and thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. So thank you guys for watching. Like I said, I ain't going nowhere, so I'm gonna wrap this down. And yeah, happy holidays to you guys, and stay tuned for my next hair tutorial. Bye y'all.